Hi there, my name is Josh. I'm one of the energy assessors here at ATSPACE, and the question I've been asked to answer today is how do you calculate a Part G water calculation? So essentially, wherever you normally have your SAP assessment carried out, they will also be able to do a Part G water calculation. What they will request is, if you're at design stage, they will request floor plans to work out the amount of bedrooms and the amount of taps, baths, showers, utility sinks, and any harvesting systems. And then what they will do at design stage is they will then assign flow rates to each of them appliances that you will eventually have to have installed at your property. And they will calculate it in a software either called GCal or another really new piece of software called Easy Water Calc to get the result that you require. If you're at as-built stage, what they will request is for you to fill out a checklist. And within that checklist, you will have to enter in the make and models of all of the water using appliances around your property. From then on, the assessor will go to the relevant websites of the manufacturers, work out what the flow rates are for the taps and showers, the overflow limits for the baths, the place settings for the dishwashers, and the water usage for the washing machines to get the exact same result. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like me to answer any more of your questions, please visit the Knowledge Hub, and always remember to like and subscribe.